I could tell the difference already, guys. Much more solid feel. Do you drive a GR86 or a BRZ and you're just sick of hearing all the road noises, just drowns out your music and try to bump up and really try to listen to it and all you hear are just rattles, road noises, and you just have to keep on turning up the sound? Well, look no further. We have a solution for you. Introducing our sound deadening for this GR86. Also works with the BRZ. These are made specifically for these vehicles. There's no custom cutting, there's no measuring, there's none of that. Just slips right in there and works amazingly well. So I'm gonna walk you through it. Let's make your audio listening quality in your car much better with our kit. Open the door, you'll notice this door card here. We're gonna remove this. And to do so, let's first remove this plastic piece up here. So we're gonna just use a panel removal tool, like the ones you see I'm holding, and just pop it off very easily. Just all being held by these little clips here. And if you're wondering where you could get this, you get it very inexpensive on Amazon. And let's move along down here. You'll find this little clip, little opening. Put a small flathead screwdriver and just pop it up. There we go. And by removing these, it'll expose these Phillips screws that we're gonna remove. We're gonna remove one up here and we're gonna remove two down there. All right, so once we have those removed, next step is just pulling all this out. Here's a good place to grab. So right here, found the edge, just grab it and just pull it out. All right, there we go. And let's move along the edge here. All right. So when you're removing this, if you don't want to have such a hard time removing it like I did right now, use some panel removal tools. That'll really help. All right, and let's remove these cabling up here. We'll start off with the top. Just remember the top one here is the highlighted yellow one. You don't want to get them mixed up. Then your door locks won't operate the way it should. Here we go. And there's also a connector down here. There's one more down here. Your lights. All right, there we go. Very easy. And when you remove this, if any of these clips falls off, or if any clips are stuck on the door frame side, pull it out, stick it back into the door card before you pop it back in. Ben is helping me with that one that's on the door frame. Make sure you pull it out, because if you leave it on there and you try putting your door card back in with it, what's gonna happen is it's just gonna smash on it. It's not gonna go back on together. So make sure of that and make sure you pull all of these clips back out and pop it back into the door card. All right, here's a piece, and let me lay out everything that's gonna go behind here and also on the door frame side. And here is our sound deadening kit, all laid out on the floor right under the door cards. As you can see, this is some really thick, good quality foam here that's gonna reduce the amount of noise you have inside your cabin, let you hear more music and less outside sounds. And we have a few pieces that's gonna go on top of each other. We have this, we also have this piece here and this piece here. This is all gonna fit behind these door cards, which is going to be slowly pushed back in to its original locations. And we also have these for the speakers. The speaker ring on the outside is gonna cover the outside of the spring to give you that really firm grip between the door card and the speaker. And we also have these foam that's gonna go behind the speaker to lessen the sound resonance that's gonna come from your speakers, because right behind the speaker is just a hollow tin can, and it could really make the audio resonate, and this will tighten all that up. And in addition, we have a lot of these sound deadening pads. These are really cool. You could put them anywhere. We're gonna stick all of these behind the door. We include 16, 8 for each door, and this handy roller that'll help you get these on the door really well. And we also have these extra clips. If you guys do the installation right, you won't need these, but just in case you screw up a little bit, you end up breaking some clips, we got some extra ones for you. All right, now let's go to the next step and let's get them installed. All right, on the front driver's side door, let's first remove this connector here that's holding the speaker in place. And just FYI guys, we are coming out with a plug-and-play replacement speaker for the factory 6.5. So it's gonna be coming out under a different brand name called NORIX Audio, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna make an official announcement. And if you guys want a sneak peek of the NORIX Audio speakers, we'll leave a link below. Go ahead and check it out. It's on the truck, but we'll be coming out for one for the GR86 and the Subaru BRZ. So let's first remove all these Phillips screws. All right, and carefully pop this out. There we go. All right, we're gonna grab this one, the inner ring, and we're gonna just paste it right behind here. There's a crash beam right behind it, so we're gonna paste it right under it, like so. So let's remove the adhesive. And we'll just pop it right back here. Next, we'll grab the outer ring. We're gonna paste it right on top of this. And there it is, guys. Now we have this much foam material that's going to reduce all the unwanted noise in your car. Before you guys put the speaker back on, let's install all these sound deadening pads. We have 8 of them for each door. It's a lot of them. So we're gonna try to find as much space as we can and just place it all around. We're gonna go behind this plastic, put some back there and some around here as well. And don't forget to use a roller to make sure it's on there really good. There's already some factory sound deadening material here, so we will apply it to the side of it. All right, there we go. We were able to use all 8. That's great. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4 up here, and we also went 4 down here as well. So once you're done, let's bring this plastic cover over here. I will do my best to match it up. All right, terrific. Let me remount the factory speaker. Awesome. All right, now let's work on the door card. All right, let's get our door card part installed. So we have this oddly shaped one. We're gonna place it here. We have this other longer one. We're gonna place it right here, match it to this hole right here, okay? And we're gonna place the large ones right over this, like so. All right, so let's start off with the bottom. You do not have to remove the whole entire adhesive. We're just going to remove partially because once it's on there, the tension on it is gonna keep it still. So you don't need to necessarily remove the whole entire sheet. So we're just gonna just rip part of it here, like so. All right, and we're gonna rip part of it down here so that this area here could stick to the plastic. Like so, all right. And moving along, do the same for this one. This one, the back side, it's all cloth material right behind it. So I'm just gonna leave this one alone. Well, actually, let me just tear off just a little piece back here, just to make sure the back side will keep this straight. And we're just gonna tear off a piece right here, okay, like so. All right, so it'll stay put. All right, and now let's stack on the top piece, match the holes. Okay, here we go. All right, looks good. Okay. And we're only going to tear off the corner pieces just to keep it from moving when we push this door card back in. So got a little bit here. Got a little bit more on this side. Right. Looks good. I think it's ready. Let's give it a try. All right, let's grab it here. And let's first connect the connectors. All right. And let's put these back on. Just remember, the black one goes to the bottom and the colored one goes to the top. So next, let's line up the holes and we're gonna just push it in firmly and slowly and wait for the foam to provide shape onto the back side of the door. All right, before we do that, let's make sure the top part is hooked on correctly. All right, there we go. And we'll start pushing it in very slowly and firmly. All right, so once we get all the clips in on the outside, let's screw in the center ones here on the top and also the two on the bottom. Okay, so the bottom one's gonna be a little tricky. You do have to give some pressure from down here, okay? It's about giving consistent pressure, just holding it, and it's gonna mold into place. All right, and now all we have to do is pop these guys back in. All right, so once we're done with this one, all you have to do is do the exact same things you did on the driver's side, on the passenger side, and that will complete your installation. The biggest difference in this, you'll notice once you're on the road. Try driving the same roads that you always drive and just notice how much less road noise you hear, and that you'll notice that you'll hear more of your music. And before, if you notice that your doors used to vibrate, now you won't hear any of that anymore. You'll just hear purely your car audio coming from these speakers without any resonance or any other unwanted sounds. All right, now let's see how much difference it makes. All right, guys, well, that does it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or shoot us an email at info@bsonikusa.com. This product is in stock, ready to ship to your door. If you're ready to purchase it today, visit us at bsonikusa.com or leave the product link below as well. And as always, guys, help our channel, give us that thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button. That'll help us out a lot. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. Stand up, dive on 10 toes. Looking in the mirror.